Sid, that's leaving a little early for work. If you still want to say goodbye, time to get up. I'm leaving now. Well, it's morning. It's so dark in here. You can only see in the morning.
Hey Glenn, what are you doing?
I can't see much of anything. And just between you and me, I'm not going to it's dark. Everything will get different in the dark. And you can't see anything. Ooh. Take that, darkness. Ha-ha. Yeah, much better. Now I can
Taking your socks off?
exactly where everything is and nothing scary is happening. So, I just gotta know what is happening in the darkness. Breakfast is ready. Oh boy. Coming. Breakfast time.
Hey, morning, Sid.
Dad, are you sure it's morning?
Yep, I'm sure.
Because it doesn't look like morning to me. It looks like night.
Glenn, what are you doing?
Yeah, kind of feels
No.
but it's not.